The next question says that you have 0a minus b, minus a 0 minus c, b c 0, and you have to prove that this is equal to 0. Now how do we go about proving this one? Let's take a look at this determinant on the left hand side. What do you have? Let delta is equal to 0 a minus b minus a 0 minus c b c 0. Okay, this is delta is equal to this. Now what is delta? If you observe, there's not much you can do. This is a minus b minus a 0 c minus c b c 0. What you can observe is this is a determinant. This is a determinant of a skew symmetric matrix. Can you please observe that? Yes, this is a determinant of a skew symmetric matrix. And we remember one thing from our properties, that determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order is simply 0. It's gonna prove that, exactly that over here. Now if delta is this, what is delta transpose equal to? Please observe. Let's find delta transpose first. Delta transpose will be transpose of this. Okay, and what will that be equal to? That will be 0a minus b minus a 0 minus c, okay, and b c 0. This is what you have. Can you observe this carefully? Yes, this is what you have. This is a transpose, and once you have obtained this transpose, do you observe that there, as we compare this with and this, we observe that 0 minus a and b, in the first column we have 0 a and minus b, we have extra minus over here, we can take that minus out. Similarly here we have an extra minus, we can take that out, and here we have a less minus, let's take that out as well. What we'll get is minus 1 from here in this column, minus 1 from this column, and minus 1 from this column will give me 0, minus a b, a 0 c, and minus, if you want to take minus common from here, what you'll get is, this is actually, imagine this b as minus 1 square times b. What is minus 1 square? That's simply minus 1, right? So you have taken a minus 1 common. Or indirectly, what you can say, if you want to take a minus 1 common, what you'll have to do is, you'll have to divide by minus 1. So b upon minus 1 is minus b, c upon minus 1 is minus c, and this is 0. Observe, delta transpose is also equal to delta. Delta transpose is also equal to delta. And this is minus 1 power 3, which is minus 1. What is this determinant equal to? 0a minus b minus a 0 minus c b c 0. This is same as delta. Okay. So delta is equal to minus delta. This will give me 2 delta is equal to 0. Or we can observe that delta is simply equal to 0. This is what we wanted to prove. This is what we wanted to prove, that delta equal to 0. Delta is that determinant that equal to 0. That's a complete proof of this. Once again, the determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is simply 0. Remember that.